Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add hosting an email to Gmail app on Android devices. Let's go into the video. Open Gmail on your device. Click on your profile on the top right-hand corner. It will display all the existing accounts, and now at the bottom you click on Add another account. A tab will be opened. It will show a list of other email hosting providers like Google, Yahoo, etc. As Hostinger is not available, we need to select the other option. Now write your email ID. I'm entering info@techfin2k.com, and also you need to enter password. Just again, I am mentioning, the password is the one which you had entered while creating your mail ID in Hostinger. After this, you need to select the type of email ID, personal POP3 or personal IMAP. I'm selecting IMAP. Both work similarly, but the protocols are different. POP3 is Post Office Protocol version 3, and IMAP is Internet Message Access Protocol. POP3 is best suited for users who primarily access their email from a single device, whereas IMAP is ideal for users who access their email from multiple devices like smartphones, tablets, computers. Now you need to give the server details for incoming mails. These are same settings which we had used for desktop integration. In the server text box, give imap.hostinger.com, and in port text box, give the port number as 993 and select the security type as SSL/UTLS. Now, click Next. It will verify the settings. After that, it prompts you to enter outgoing server settings. Here we need to give SMTP server name. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Give the SMTP server details as smtp.hostinger.com. Click on Next. It will verify the SMTP server settings. If everything is correct, it will give account options. Check the boxes against Notify me when emails arrive, Sync email for this account, and uncheck the box Automatically download attachments when connected to Wi-Fi, and also the sync frequency. It is having option to update or sync for every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. I'm enabling it to sync for every 15 minutes. Now click on Next. It will prompt you to give the account name. I'm giving info@techfin2k.com as the account name and your name as Tonu V. The same name I'm giving is given for desktop integration. Now click on Next. The hosting email is synced with your desired Gmail account. See, the info@techfin2k.com email is integrated with Gmail. Now let us check with sending and receiving mails. Click on Compose. See, we are sending email from info@techfin2k.com to one of other my Gmail. Entering the subject as hi. It is showing as one email is unsent and in outbox. Just refresh. It will send the email. Now I'm going to see whether this sent mail is received or not. I'm selecting my other Gmail. See, I had received the mail from info@techfin2k.com as the subject is hi. Now let us send email to info@techfin2k.com from my other Gmail account. I am giving to address as info@techfin2k.com and entering the subject as hello. Click on Send. It is showing as sent. Now we will verify whether the email is received on info@techfin2k.com. Just refresh the mail. This will take some time to receive, around 5 minutes, because it should go to Hostinger servers and to Gmail. If you do not receive, once checking if it is stuck in outbox. See, I had received the email on info@techfin2k.com with the subject as hello, which was sent with other Gmail. That's it. We had linked hosting an email in Gmail app on Android. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. If you get any issue, please comment. I will guide you. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Have a good day.